Hello everyone, welcome to this first lecture of our storage systems lecture series course. In this lecture, we are just going to see the overview of what to expect in this course, what you will learn in this course, and what is expected from you during this course. So what is storage systems? At a high level, even our ancestors who carved on the stone walls, they that was their form of storing that information, right? So that was their storage systems. So basically anything, any piece of technology that can be used to either temporarily or permanently hold information in a structured fashion could be called as storage system. Now, note that storing the data is not enough, but rather being able to store in an organized way is important because otherwise we won't be able to get the data out from this technology. Now, if we can imagine the sweet little neatly arranged organizer here on the right side, if you know what are the items that you stored in the first and the second drawer, then you could just open that to get that item. But if you do not know what did you store and you just stored like mix and match of all possible items there, then let's say if you are searching for your phone charger, you wouldn't know which drawer to look for, right? So organizing information in a particular structured fashion is very critical for designing any good storage system. Now, why do we need to worry about persistence? We have seen that losing data that matters to us or that is important to us is not an easy loss. Probably in today's world, losing data is the biggest nightmare of any big company or anybody. Some of the statistics show that among companies who lose data in disasters, 50% never reopens and 90% are out of business within 2 years, which is terribly bad. Loss of millions if just single data center drive without it fails without data recovery. And definitely you can imagine, let's say if you lose your phone or something, then the thing that bothers you the most is not that now you have to spend to buy the new phone. Obviously, that's heavy on the pocket if it's an iPhone. But apart from that, the thing that worries you most is you lost all the data that existed on that phone. If you had the backup into something like iCloud, then that's fine. You could recover the data. But if not, that's a nightmare. So losing the data is something we do not want in today's world, and persistent storage helps us to ensure that we don't lose our data. And as a storage system designer, now a part of this course, it's our responsibility to manage these persistence.